Minash-shaytan-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. This class 9 subject English. Today we are going to continue yesterday's task, that is the thinking about a text of the lesson they had the fun. Part 2. Answer the following with reference to the story. Story के मुतलिक से कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं, हमें इनको आंसर देना है. Number 1. Quote. I wouldn't throw it away. मैं इसको बाहर नहीं फेंकूंगा. अब इससे इस सेंटेंस से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस है. Who says these words? Who says these words? Who says these words? Tommy says these words. You will write like this. Tommy says these words. Part 2. What does it refer to? It किसके मुतलिक रेफर करता है, किसको यहाँ जाहिर करता है? इट रिफर्स टू द टेलीविजन स्क्रीन. इट यानी वो उसको बाहर नहीं फेंकेगी. पार्ट 3. व्हाट इज इट बीइंग कंपेयर्ड विथ बाय द स्पीकर? स्पीकर ने इट को किसके साथ कंपेयर किया, इस टेलीविजन स्क्रीन को? इट इज बीइंग कंपेयर्ड विद अ रियल बुक. तो जो ट्रेडिशनल बुक थी, इसके साथ इसने उसको कंपेयर किया. Question now part 2 here. Sure, that had a teacher, but that had a teacher. They had a teacher. Sorry. यहाँ they है. They had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Now part 1 question. Who does they refer to? What does they? They here means the people of the society, the people of the olden timers. They refers to the people of many centuries ago. जो इससे पहले लोग थे, तो इन्हीं के मुतालिक ये दे रेफर करता है. क्या इनके पास कोई मैन, इंसान जैसा टीचर होता था? What does regular means here? Regular का यहाँ क्या माने है? अगर हमने यहाँ देखा, but it wasn't a regular teacher. Regular teacher, regular mean here means something of a lasting nature. Something of a lasting nature. तो पार्ट 3 है. What is it contrasted with? It को, इसको किसके साथ कंट्रास्ट किया गया है, इस टीचर को? It is contrasted with a mechanical teacher, the computer, which is in the modern times. The mechanical teacher is in front of the student, so it has been contrasted with a mechanical teacher. Now part 3 here, if you see, answer each of these questions in a short paragraph about 30 words. ये जो नीचे क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं, इनको आप कम से कम एक शॉर्ट पैराग्राफ में आंसर देना है. कम से कम 30 अल्फाज होने चाहिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 is here. What kind of teachers did Maggie and Tommy have? Do you guess, students? What kind of teacher? Do they have the man-like teachers, or do they have the mechanical teacher, the computer? Yes. They have the computer teacher, the mechanical teacher. The answer is like this. Maggie and Tommy didn't have any men as their teachers. इनके पास कोई आदमी टीचर नहीं हुआ करता था. Physical, there were no physical teacher. Their teachers were a kind of machine. तो इनका जो टीचर था वो एक मशीन जैसी थी. Attached to their television screen, जो इनके टेलीविजन स्क्रीन के साथ अटैच की गई थी. So that was the mechanical teacher, because this was not the traditional classroom. This was the classroom of 2157. They called them mechanical teachers. So they were the mechanical teachers. So dear students, इस तरह हमने देखा, in olden times there was the teachers. When we are in the classroom, we are physically contact with the students. But nowadays, you see, during these online classes, you have the virtual classes. You have the mobile phone as your teacher before you, or you have the computer screen. So that is the example of that time when Maggie and Tommy are reading. तो जब टॉमी और मागी पढ़ती है, ये फ्यूचर का ज़माना दिखाता है कि ऐसे क्लासरूम होंगे जहाँ कोई फिजिकल टीचर नहीं होगा। तो आपको डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको आजकल इसकी एग्जाम्पल मिल रही है, क्योंकि आप अपने घरों में बैठ रहे हैं, हम अपने घरों में बैठ रहे हैं, और आप कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन से या मोबाइल स्क्रीन से पढ़ रहे हैं। सो योर मोबाइल्स, योर कंप्यूटर्स आर योर लैपटॉप्स आर योर मैकेनिकल टीचर्स। Dear students, I will share the PDF copy of these questions with you in the group. I hope that you will write these questions in your notebook. Thanks.